Okay, you're given the fact that tuition at this Midwestern university was $101 initially in 1990, and 11 years later, it was $266 per credit hour. Assuming that the tuition is going up in a linear fashion, find a function that represents what's happening. Well, one way to think about it is that you're given these 2 points, 0, 101, and 11, 266. 2001 is 11 years since 1990. And now the directions are find the equation of the line passing through those 2 points. Well, to do that, you need the slope of the line, which would be 266 minus 101 over 11 minus 0, change in y over the change in x, and that turns out to be 15. What that means is that every year the tuition is going up by $15. So in 1991, the tuition would have been $116. The next year it would have gone up another 15, and so on. So once you've got the slope, you can use point slope if you want, which is this right here. Y minus the y coordinate of the point you know about equals the slope times the quantity x minus the x coordinate you know about. And point 1 here, the initial point, probably the easiest to use, looks like this. And if you solve for y, you get y equals 15x plus 101. Another way to write the function or the equation is to realize that, if this x coordinate is 0, this must be the y coordinate of the y-intercept. Point 1 is actually the y-intercept. So you could have gone right to here. Y equals mx plus b, 15x plus 101. And so you can write the function this way. F of x equals 15x plus 101. There's your function. And if you want to find what the tuition was in 2007, that's 17 years since 1990. So you want to find f of 17. So that's 15 times 17 plus 101. Here's that initial value, 101. And every year since 1990, we're going up by $15. 15 times 17 looks like it's 255. Add on the 101, you get 356. And finally, if you want what year the tuition will have risen to $476, you put 476. That's the function value. Solve that for x. Subtract 101, divide by 15, you get x equals 25. That's not the answer to the question, because 25 is the number of years since 1990, so we got to add on 25 years. Looks like 2015 is when that tuition will have risen to 476 per credit hour. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.